what you gon' do? Act a fool. If you about to get drunk and you ready to mob, boy, what you gon' do? Act a fool. Let's take it to the streets, cause I'm ready to cruise. Just bought me and my cars all some brand new shoes. And the people just there, so I love to park it. And I just put a computer in the glove compartment. With my pedal to the floor, radar in the grill. TV in the middle of my steering wheel. It's my car's birthday, so we blowing them candles. Most speakers in the trunk than my ride can handle. Got my name in the headrest, read it and weep. Nas tank in the back, camel hair on the seat. And when I pull up to the club, I get all the affection. Cause the women love the paint and they can see their reflection. I'm about to take off, so F what you heard. Because my side mirrors flap like a fucking bird. And for the fools, we gon' clock one, then we'll pop one. Cause my folk riding shotgun with a shotgun. You just got hustle for a wad of cash, man. What you gon' do? Act a fool. Now your friends just smoked up your brand new stash. Say what you gon' do? Act a fool. And them girls up the block still running their mouth. Boy, what you gon' do? Act a fool. If anybody talk bad about the dirty South, tell me what I'm gon' do. Act a fool. I got my eyes wide shut and my trunk wide open. Did donuts last week in the street still smoking. See, I'm off that antifreeze and my car is tipsy. On the off-ramp doing about 150. Rolling through East Pern on my way to Ben Hill. Slide a 5 to the junkie to clean my windshield. Got the whole crew riding and we starting shit. I even got a trailer hitch with a barbecue pit. And now all you wanna do is get drunk and pout. Plus your new name is Fire cause we stomped you out. And yeah, we blow trees and bees, that's fantastic. So girls, hold your weed while I'm weaving through traffic. I kick the fifth gear and tear the road apart. You'll be like Lil John Q and get a change of heart. It's one mission, 2 clips, and some triple beams. I'm about to blow this whole shit up to smithereens. The potholes in the street just bent your rims. Tell me what you gon' do? Act a fool. Man, that ain't sticky, that's sticks and stems. Boy, what you gon' do? Act a fool. Catch your man with another bitch up in your bed. Ladies, what you gon' do? Act a fool. If the bottle's all gone and your eyes are red, boy, what you gon' do? Act a fool. Too fast, too fast, too furious, too fast.
Stop time.